Hello, welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is about dissimilar fractions. Our objectives is to find out what are dissimilar fractions and how to add dissimilar fractions. So what are dissimilar fractions? Dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominators. How to add dissimilar fractions? This is the rules of adding dissimilar fractions. First, change them to two similar fractions, then add the similar fractions, and then express the sum in lowest term or as a mixed number. Before we proceed to some exercises, recap muna tayo ng terms to remember. Difference between prime numbers and composite numbers, and even and odd numbers. So prime numbers are numbers which only have two factors, themselves and 1. Composite numbers are numbers which have 3 or more factors. Even and in 0, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, while odd number end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now, let's proceed to addition of dissimilar fractions. So, we have here some examples to solve. So, ito yung mga dissimilar fractions. Dissimilar sila kasi magkaiba sila ng denominators. Yan. Okay. So, let's solve it. Find the sum. 2/3 plus 1/2. So, ano ba ang rule natin? I-change muna natin sila sa similar fractions. Okay? So, una, kunin muna natin yung LCD nila. By inspection, itong denominator ay parehong prime. Pwede nyo na lang tong i-times. 3 times 2. So, yan na bali ang LCM nyo. So, pwede nyo na siyang i-perform. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 2, 4. Yan. Then, 6 divided by 2, 3 times 1 equals 3. Okay? So, similar fraction na siya kasi pareho na sila ng denominators. So, pwede na natin silang add. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And then, retain the denominator. Okay? Kaya, ang answer mo ay 7/6. Pero, hindi pa siya simplified kasi ito ay improper fractions. So, i-change natin siya into mix. Okay? Ilang 6 meron sa 7, di ba? 1. Okay? Then, 7 minus 6 is 1. Then, retain the denominator of 6. So, our final answer is 1 and 1/6. Number 2. Prime number uli siya. So, i-times na lang natin sila para ito na magiging LCM natin or LCD. So, 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 4 is 12. 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 1 is 5. So, similar na siya. Add na natin yung numerator. 12 plus 5 equals 17. Then, copy denominator of 15. So, improper fraction siya. So, kailangan natin convert sa mixed number. So, ilang 15 meron sa 17? 1. 17 minus 15 is 2. Then copy the denominator of 15. Our final answer is 1 and 2 over 15. Okay, number 3. So, as you can see, ito ay composite numbers. And pareho silang even numbers. So, pag ganito, tingnan nyo yung higher denominator. Diba yung 8? Yan. Tingnan nyo kung itong 8 nadidivide ba sa 4. Nadidivide siya, diba? Kaya ito yung 8. Yan ang gagamitin nating LCD. Kasi, nadidivide sila pareho sa 8. Kaya 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 3 is 6. 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 7 equals 7. So, similar na siya. Add na natin to. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Then, copy 8. 13 over 8. Improper siya. Change ulit natin siya sa mix. Ilang 8 sa 13? 1. Then, 13 minus 8 is 5. Copy the denominator of 8. So, our final answer is 1 and 5, 8. Next. Ito naman, mixed number. Okay. So, as you can see, ito, yung isa prime, isa composite. So, nakikita naman natin meron silang something in common. Pareho silang divisible by 3. So, by inspection, itong higher number, tingnan natin kung ito ay nadidivide sa 3. Nadidivide, diba? Kaya itong higher number, yan ang ating gagawing LCD. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 2 is 4. Then, 6 divided by 6 is 1 times 5 is 5. Ngayon, similar fraction na siya. Kaya pwede natin silang i-add. Unahin muna natin yung whole number. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And then, copy the denominator of 6. Ito ay improper. So, kailangan natin siyang i-solve. So, ilang 6 meron sa 9? Isa, diba? So, yung 1 whole na yung idadagdag natin sa 11. Kaya ito naging 12. Then, 9 minus 6 is 3. Copy the denominator of 6. So, ito, hindi pa rin siya simplified 3 over 6 kasi may common factor pa sila which is 3. Kaya, i-divide natin sila sa 3 pareho. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Our final answer is 12 and 1/2. Okay, number 5. Ito parehong prime. So, i-times na lang natin siya. Yun ang magiging LCD natin. 7 times 3 is 21. 21. Okay? So, 21 divided by 7 is ilan? 3 times 3, 9. 21 divided by 3 is 7 times 2 equals 14. Yan, similar fraction na siya. Yan, pwede na natin i-add yung numerator. So, yung whole number mo nang i-add natin, 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 14 is 23. Yan, over 21. So, hindi pa siya simplified kasi ito ay improper. Kaya, isosolve muna natin siya, no? So, ilang 21 sa 23? 1, diba? So, yung 1, nadagdag dito sa 30. Kaya ito naging 14. So, 23 minus 21 is 2. So, copy natin yung denominator of the 21. So, our final answer is 14 and 2 over 21. So, that's all for now. At yan ang ating topic for today, which is the similar fractions and how to add the similar fractions. Thanks and have a nice day.